Today I'll be talking about pink toilets and boxers, not boxers that you wear, but boxers that fight. So we'll be talking about the Nautanki campaign that Fatwa Studio did with an amazing bunch of people, and also a recent video that we shot in Leari for the boxing girls that are trained by Pak Shaheen Club's Uncle Yunus, जिसके लिए हम एक GoFundMe campaign raise कर रहे हैं. All right, so here goes. So the first thing I'm going to talk about a bit is toilets, ठीक है? Where shit goes down. So I am really personally inspired by toilets, and I went kind of like a wormhole of toilets and the cultural and artistic significance of toilets in the cinema scene and in design. And the very first time a toilet was shown was in the Alfred Hitchcock movie called Psycho. Usse pehle, you were not allowed to show anything related to the bathroom. It was like a huge no-no in American culture. So this scene was very cutting edge for its time. All she did in the scene, if anyone's seen it, is she flushes a paper down the toilet. And I don't know how Alfred Hitchcock, who is, a genius, managed to get it through the censor board because it was so shocking. But he managed to do it. And that's when actually the toilet extravaganza began on the screen. It's a place of great isolation and vulnerability. It's a place of danger. In another very iconic scene, which is Pulp Fiction by Quentin Tarantino. If anyone's seen this, Vince ends up 3 times on the toilet, and by the 3rd time on the toilet, he actually meets his demise. Then there's Tywin Lannister from Game of Thrones. He met his end on a toilet by the hands of his son, a very, again, iconic toilet scene. This is another very iconic scene with Godfather where Michael, is it Michael Corleone? Yeah, he basically for the first time does something evil, and he gets a gun and takes revenge. So the idea was that here his innocence was being lost, metaphorically speaking. Another very famous film is The Great Lebowski, which has a toilet scene in it. इसमें इतना बड़ा cult following था that they were giving out toilet seat giveaways back in the time. So it's very funny, it's very memorable, it's very iconic. Some of you might know some of these famous films. There's The Shining. So there's 2 scenes here. Metal Jacket, and there's Clockwork Orange, all by the great Stanley Kubrick. Again, the story around the bathroom is heavily explored in art and cinema and design. So it's something that was kind of in the back of my mind for a very long time. So the bathroom in my mind has been there for some time. Another very famous scene is Zero Toilet Gravity. So in this scene in 2001 Space Odyssey, again by Kubrick, there is a set of instructions that were written in the movie about using the toilet. And it's really funny, heavily recommended to watch this. The idea was that even though we're in a futuristic world, our humanly needs are always going to be, there. We can't avoid them, we can't stop them. So it's a very interesting scene in the film. And recently, this Oscar-nominated film by Wim Wenders called Perfect Days focuses on a toilet cleaner in Japan. Now, Japan, mein toilets, they consider this as a representation of their country. It is hygienic mastery. It is Japanese pride. The toilets are actually designed by famous designers and architects like Tadao Andao, if you guys have heard of him. So basically, Wim Wenders, who is a German movie maker, he went to Japan and was so inspired by the toilet culture of Japan, he recently made a movie on it. So again, something maybe you guys can note down and watch. And so this comes to music now. So in music recently, everyone knows this very famous, iconic music cover by Frank Ocean. And this was shot by Wolfgang Tillmans, again, a very iconic LGBTQI photographer from Germany. and he shot this in a bathroom, and it was to do with male vulnerability and masculinity, and it's a very, very beautiful album cover. It's become an iconic album cover. So kind of going on off the back of this is where I decided that we would put this scene in, and if it would play. So basically, this was the first time we featured a toilet for Hassan.
I used to write most of my lyrics like on ये वो जगह है जहाँ पे हम बैठ के जैम करते थे और I used to write most of my lyrics like on the pot and जब मैं पहली बार इसके कमरे में आया था तो that is where I went right okay दोनों लौंडे वॉशरूम में बैठे हुए थे और तब से बस मुझे लगा था कि यही स्पेस है I think जहाँ पे सब कुछ होगा ये वो सारे गाने जो आज तक हमने निकाले नहीं हैं
So that was the first time we plugged in an Easter egg for the bathroom. So the Nautanki campaign that I'm going to talk to you about was something that was planned like 7 months in advance. So we started plugging in stuff for the Nautanki campaign way ahead. So the first time we plugged it in, this is one of my favorite chocolates. It's a Cadbury Creme Egg, and you'll see this a lot along the presentation. I'll call it an Easter egg, okay? So we plugged a lot of these Easter eggs in the entire presentation. The second time when we did that was in the actual Nautanki campaign where we put Hassan on a bathroom. जहाँ वो अपनी love lyrics लिख रहे हैं. And this was shot by Hassan bin Mazhar, who's not here today, but he's from Iqra University. So he shot this, I would say, hopefully one day it will become iconic album cover. On an iPhone, by the way. It wasn't even filmed or shot on a fancy camera. That's the fatwa way, I guess. जो था उसी वक्त जल्दी जल्दी निकालना था because वो लाइटें उतार रहे थे लाइट वाले तो ये जल्दी जल्दी हमने कहा यार एल्बम कवर तो निकाला ही नहीं है तो ये हमारा था एल्बम कवर ठीक है so the story behind it अच्छा next step we're going to talk about color now ठीक है so we've talked about toilets story behind toilets how we've been plugging in these Easter eggs with Hassan and now we're going to talk about the color pink ठीक है so the color pink has an interesting kind of backstory and in our Nautanki campaign we used pink a lot so these are some of the I would say famous films जिसमें pink इस्तेमाल किया गया है there's Black Swan Inferno La La Land Eyes Wide Shut The Wolf of Wall Street The Grand Budapest Hotel and Her. So we were very inspired by the color pink and the Pepto-hued bathrooms that we were inspired by began out, they were very, very happening before the Cold War basically, literally before the 60s. So then the design taste shifted and the Cold War kind of was descending upon America. So, you know, सब लोग space race में भाग रहे थे. So they wanted more futuristic, sober, cold aesthetics to their bathrooms. But literally behind that, before that, we were very much into the pink pastel bathroom culture, you know. Today, there is a resurging interest in the pink bathroom thanks to the revival of mid-century design and the millennials' love affair with all things retro. Post-war America wanted to surround themselves with color, and according to Pam Cuber of the Retro Revolution, and Save the Pink Bathrooms, which is actually an organization, Save the Pink Bathroom, approximately 5 million of the 20 million new homes built between 1946 and 1966 had a cotton candy pink aesthetic to it. So it was like a huge thing, you know, back in the day. There's more pink things. Okay, now we're gonna go straight into Nautanki. Sahi hai? So Gen Z wala pyar. So for me, the Nautanki campaign and the music video started with this famous painting by Banksy. Does anyone know this painting? Please put your hands up. Oh my God, there's only like 4 hands. Does anyone know who Banksy is? Haath upar. Come on, guys, I need some engagement. I'm not going to be talking and talking. I need interactivity. Good. Do you know what the painting's called? It's written on there. Anyone? Lovesick. All right. So This was kind of the inspiration behind that famous scene in the music video where Hassan is doing Gulab ki ultiyan, which was literally I would say, the physical manifestation of all his love coming out in the bathroom. So we're going to go into some deep dive, insight analysis, and big ideas. So in Fatwa, when we start doing any work, we always start with this. For me, market research is very important. You can't blindly make a product for people if you don't know who you're making the product for. And a lot of the times in Pakistani advertising, people say they've made this for youth and young people, but you don't really feel कि ये youth के लिए है, because you're not really listening to them. You're not going on social media, on TikTok, on all those platforms that young people are on, जहाँ उनके interest नज़र आ रहे होते हैं. So usually you have a सेठिया person who जिसके लिए आप ये चीज़ बना रहे हैं, वो beverage हो, वो कपड़े हो, वो जो भी हो, मगर that सेठिया बंदा doesn't really know what the youth want, and the youth are the majority of this country that we constantly keep overlooking. New kapde pehna dene se, yo-yo karne se, new gadgets laga dene se, youth representation nahi hai. Do you get me? So this is very, very important in any project, film, music video you do. You have to start with this. So हमारा insight ये था, and the credit goes to Abdullah, that the name for Nautanki campaign came from him. He was like, this is the best name for this campaign because in South Asian culture, love is all about dramabaziyan. It's everywhere. It's in our film, it's in our music, it's in everything that we see, we're surrounded by it. And the idea is that without having drastic experiences in love, have you actually ever loved at all? And I would say the epitome of that is Humsafar, tragedy and pain and struggle and strife. That is the true experience of love. This is some quick pictures. Some more pictures. This is a picture of Shah Rukh Khan. I don't know what's happening here, but he's in a lot of pain. There's Gajni there, and then there's some lady here who's, I don't know what's happening, but basically this is love. Okay? So inside ye hai that there is a promise of real and meaningful connections, but we live in a very virtual life now. A lot of the Gen X, they're all Gen Z, they're all on social media. You might not have even met the person off of Tinder, but you would have a relationship with that person, right? And then be like, okay, bye, I'm blanking you, without me knowing them. And that's what a lot of the relationships are kind of evolving into being, social, online, not offline. So yeah, basically in the digital age, dating apps, filters, AI, promise real meaningful connections but present unique challenges for young love. Anyone seen this movie? What's the name of the movie? Good. Okay. So Spike Jonze made this apparently for Sofia Coppola back in the day, and she made the movie Lost in Translation in response to that because they were both going out, which is quite interesting. Worth watching. Maybe you guys want to plug those names in. So we're living in this world right now, this, hot pink appy world. And the other thing is everyone's got to know we're in a relationship, because we're so influenced by celeb culture, who's going out with who's wearing what, who's got what, I don't know, Botox stuff. We need to know, and we need to be putting that back out there into this social media void, where words and pictures are just floating around in the ether. So yeah, love has turned into a social currency where broadcasting our relationship status is a norm-free reconciliations to breakups to new romances. Actually, I'm not a speaker so much, so मैं थक जाती हूँ. Yeah, so basically ये पढ़ लिया है ना, आगे जा रही हूँ. Okay, so big idea. सही है, तो ये हमने सारी market research कर ली, देख ली चीज़ें जो हो रही हैं, और फिर हम आए यहाँ. ये बहुत important है, and ये हम हमेशा भूल जाते हैं. A lot of the times हम एस्थेटिक्स में चले जाते हैं लेकिन हम आइडिया भूल जाते हैं। आइडिया का मतलब वो जो आपकी स्टोरी का कोर है, क्रिएटिविटी का कोर है, आपका गोल्डन नैरेटिव है, आप कहना क्या चाहते हो म्यूज़िक वीडियो में, अपने डिज़ाइन में, अपने फिल्म के अंदर। दिस इज़ द hardest and the most important thing. Even writing a script or a novel, highly important. Even dancing, you need an idea. What are you trying to put out there? What is it there that's going to connect you to the people out there on the phones? So हमारा ये था, I was just fronting. Anyone heard the Pharrell song? I was just fronting. So basically, good, thank you. Thank God. One person knows Pharrell. Respect. You can take an extra Falastini patch for that. Okay, I'm gonna have a second. So fronting का मतलब ये होता है जब आप एक facade create करते हो, you know, you're just making a fake presence. उससे through निकला हमारा album का नाम, which was Nautanki Dramebaz, and this was like the world we had to stay in. ठीक है? This was everything, the playground that we had to keep in for our music video, for our design, for our ticket, our entire communication campaign. So this, ये क्यों नहीं चल रहा यार? अच्छा, this was our logo, which is not working. So yeah, it's a chrome logo. It was made by Hassan's own handwriting. And this is Hareem here. I hope Hareem is here. If Hareem is here, I love her. Hareem Doodles, love you. So she's recently had a baby, so she said she'd come today, but I don't know. So इधर ये बैठ के Hassan की जो handwriting है ना, she's kind of manipulating it. And Hareem had a huge, huge impact and a huge contribution in the Nautanki campaign. She came up and basically beautified the entire thing. So I would sit down with her. We had a really great relationship. And whatever I wanted from her, she would make it basically for me. So it's a higgledy-piggledy drawn typeface. It nods to the playful and theatrical side of young love. It represents the ups and downs and chaos that comes attached with such romance. It doesn't take itself too seriously, basically. And the best thing is, it came from Hassan ki handwriting himself. So, oh, this doesn't really work. Okay, so this was like 2 variations of the logo. It's like some, let me see if it works. ये कहना पड़ेगा कि work कर रहा है. Work कर रहा है. So this was like just some of us testing our stuff out कि कैसे लगेगा socials पे, you know. अच्छा, ये Tom है and ये मैंने cartoon से निकाला था. कौन सा वाला है ये? नहीं, it's the which episode? I've forgotten the episode, but in it he's making like a mouse trap, you know, for Jerry. So I kind of like this because I feel like this is me most of the time, and this is like my representation as a mascot. So the second step, the drawing board. So after the big idea, we had like lots of things to do. We had to come up with tickets, a stage design, a PR event, kiosks, meaning के concert के लिए क्या-क्या चीज़ें निकालनी हैं. Hi Moose, I see you there. Moose was also part of the Nautanki campaign. He was the 3D generalist and the VFX artist on it. उसका काम भी आप अभी देखोगे. This is a bottle of pills. So, as you guys know, Hassan Rahim is also a doctor, right? So, we wanted to kind of cash into that kind of universe of his that not a lot of people know about. So, we basically created kiosks, pharmacy kiosks, जहाँ आपको, let me play this for you first. This is Maz's handiwork. Maz, who is talking after me. This is like a 3D render of what the kiosk kind of looked like. And here we were going to sell like merch and special access passes. And basically we created medicine bottles. जिस पे हमने ये लिखा हुआ था, may cause love sickness, heartbreak, and occasional periods of euphoria. Caution advised. और नीचे हसन का signature लगा लिया था. And we had a prescription sheet, and जो kiosk था, उसके पीछे बहुत सारी medicines लगाई हुई थी, you know, because we wanted to like tap into that entire, you know, medical thing. without it being too dark. Now that I think of it, could be dark, popping pills, but basically you get the idea. सही है? तो इन बोतलों में हमने स्वीट्स डाली हुई थी, ठीक है, और ये हमने 900 and पता नहीं कितनी बोतलें फतवा में बैठ के लाइन पे लोग बैठे हुए थे जो भर रहे थे, you know. So it's sort of like a labor of love going on. Okay, now we come to stage. Stage, this is some inspiration for the stage. This is some more inspiration for the stage. So why are we touring? So Hassan was launching his first ever debut album, and he wanted to share it with fans across the country and around the world in a never before seen audiovisual tour. So Hassan Rahim was and is still the moment. ठीक है? So he was trying to do something completely different with his album, and he really trusted us to kind of go with it, with this whole toilet idea, to kind of really create something. And the audio visual wala idea was something that we were really kind of tapping into कि पाकिस्तान में visuals music के साथ एक कैसी एक marriage कर सकते हैं, एक मज़ेदार सी एक marriage, you know. And in a way, this was also a way for all of us to kind of show off our skills that we wouldn't really get to show off generally. So kind of Hassan became the conduit for a lot of us to showcase our skills. ठीक है? So this was the stage design. I don't know if any of you guys here are wannabe architects or... So Fatwa also designed the stage. We designed the stage ourselves. These bars you see, मेरी ख्वाहिश थी कि ये जो bars हैं, ये बिल्कुल audience के ऊपर आएं. But Reed Solutions were like, नहीं, this is too dangerous, लोगों के सर पे गिर जाएगा. So we had SMD screens which were really, really large. They were like larger than Hassan because the visuals needed that kind of breathing room, that breathing space, you know. And we had these light SMD bars going up, so the people standing under them could see stuff kind of like raining down on them. So it was like a front-top experience. Immersive, yeah. Immersive ऐसे होता कि if there was like a third level where maybe we were doing something where something was being thrown at them, or there was like an element of hawa or smell. But this was like kind of the path we were trying to take. And this is what it turned out to be. These are young stunners on the stage here, you know, doing their thing. And these were like the light bars on the top. This is pictures from Express Tribune, I think. We're going to go straight into video visuals. Okay, so we had a lot of work cut out for us at Fatwa Studio. So straight off of Spotify, वहाँ जो मैंने आपको toilet वाला video दिखाया था, we went straight into Nautanki. You know, it was like bam, bam, bam. You know, pedal to the metal, Eminem style. So we had like 13 people, and we had 25 videos to make by scratch in less than 6 months. We had merch, we had website, we had 3 choreographies. What else did we have, Abdullah? Oh, we had a music video. और क्या था? Abdullah had a whole album to produce. और क्या था? And we were basically like सब कुछ हमारे घर पे हो रहा था. We were like eating, breathing, living in work. It was like log rotation पे सो रहे थे. There are pictures of that in this deck also that I'm going to show you. So this was one of them.
तू मेरी आरज़ू कराची मेरी आरज़ू
So this was like a hand camera thing, ठीक है? So these are like the proper ones made by Ali. Ali Khan Durrani is our in-house editor, and he's a brilliant guy, and he's worked really, really hard in his journey with Fatwa. So these are made by him. He edited these. So the first one has Moose's handiwork. Moose, put your hands up. So, woo, Moose back there. So Moose made these. देख लें आप, मैं एक-एक करके quickly दिखा रही हूँ, ठीक है? This one was conceptualized and choreographed by Shane, who is my sister. She's sitting right there. Shane, put your hand up. Woo! And featuring in these videos are Anarchy, who are performing this. This was my personal favorite one. This had Hassan's mother having a voiceover in the back. So she opened this video for us with some Gilgiti poetry. And this was like a light kind of extravaganza sequence. Ooh, chala hi nahi, ruko. So this was like some of the quick clips. Thank you. These are just some snapshots of the people and their responses from the concert. ये Maz का toilet है यहाँ. Maz, hello, hi. Maz is right after me. Basically, we all grew to become a very close creative family during this process, and I think उसके बाद people really kind of family dangerous होती है अच्छा नहीं basically we became pretty close because we were so personally invested in the entire thing. So to see it all kind of come together on the big screen like this was like really really amazing for all of us. So these were like just some of the messages that we got of love, which made us believe that what we were doing was something important for this country, making people believe that we are talented and we have something to offer to the world. Was kind of the agenda, I guess, from this concert. ये एक और I think ये Candy Crush से inspired था Sweet 2. And then this was Money Man that we made for JS Bank, Zindagi. हमने सोचा था कि हम इसमें एक्चुअली पैसे उड़ाएंगे लोगों पे उड़ाए थे सॉरी उड़ाए थे लोगों के ऊपर पैसे उड़ाए थे हमने इस सीन पे तो जब वो बंदा ये करता था तो लोगों पे पैसे गिर रहे थे we were going क्रेजी हो रहे थे सब लोग सो काफ़ी फन चीज़ थी क्या हो गई अच्छा अच्छी फोटो कॉपी हो गई थी जी Okay, now we come to some design stuff. So covered the video stuff, now the tickets, okay? So tickets were crazy because we had lots of information to squeeze onto a very small piece of paper. And then the sponsors came, and then their very unrealistic demands started happening जो होती हैं, which some of you might have experienced. ये कर दें, लोगो बड़ा कर दें, ये यहाँ लगा दें, and वो सारी जो डिज़ाइन की जो होती है ना, people are agreeing with me, वो सब, by the end of it became like a push-pull kind of a relationship for all of us, कि भाई जाने दें, you know. So this was kind of the final rendition of the ticket, and we wanted to create a ticket that actually served a multiple purpose, not just कि लोग लें और फेंक दें. We wanted to create a culture where people keep them as keepsakes, because बाहर जब आप किसी concert पे जाते हो, people keep them as memorabilia. So we wanted to create something interesting enough for people to kind of hold on to. So this was like a what would you call it? The general ticket pass. ये एक animation भी है. Let me show it to you quickly. So this was like the same thing but for socials that we were trying to translate. Then this was the special pass for like people who wanted to pay more money. So this was like premium black type of thing. And then, let me show it to you here. So इसमें it was connected to per city. तो जो city में जो performer या group था उसके accordingly हमने ये भी बनाए थे. Then we had like special access tour giveaways. So if you had like the black pass, you know, you had like a lanyard, and we tried to make the people feel special. And this was a stop motion done by Anmol, and इसमें पीछे Moose ने video दिया. ये लिटरली जैसे हम काम कर रहे थे हमें आइडियाज आ रहे थे, अच्छा ये भी कर सकते हैं, ये भी कर सकते हैं. ओह, let me play this.
You are now one of the lucky owners of the Nautanki Dips Pass. Flip over to the exclusive pink wristband and put it on. There's a badge too. Get your exclusively signed t-shirt from the Dips kiosk and wear it. You are now concert ready. Pick up your prescription from the pharmacy kiosk as well. It's just candy. There's also a cool holographic sticker on the last page. Enjoy. Baki alarm karega brew.
Some people would understand that little Easter egg. Okay, finally, event. So this is something that Maz here basically put together. He's smiling right now, but the trauma that we experienced, flashbacks on it. So this was inspired by this Japanese art installation artist, and we wanted to kind of emulate this kind of very dreamy, intimate vibe for the PR event that happened at District. And then we wanted to kind of test it and then bring it out for the actual concert. That was like a great kind of like a testing ground for us, PR event, में कि क्या-क्या चीज़ें गलत हो सकती हैं, सही हो सकती हैं, ठीक है? So it was like a very intimate kind of vibe where people go through something and you don't really need to talk to each other and just kind of like go through a corridor with like a dreamy kind of a colorful palette. So this is a 3D render by Maz, made by him. So he visualized this, what we wanted. So we created a round stage, जो अब काफ़ी इस्तेमाल होता है District 19 में, but we created this. And with the help of KCR, we installed these meshes, जिस पे हमने projection की थी. And what we wanted was people to walk through this corridor, and यहाँ सारा bathroom का setup था. That was from the Nautanki music video. So the Nautanki music video, which I'll show you next, में जो सारे props थे, चीज़ें थीं, we brought them out for the PR event, so people could actually experience the music video themselves, like actual props from the music video. So we wanted to kind of give them that experience also. So this is like where Hassan will be standing, this is where all the people were, and ये जो जगह है, यहाँ एक high container पे एक projector लगा हुआ था, जहाँ Abdullah और Jan Zeeb were like, you know, doing all the work to get all the visuals out. This is a 3D render of the toilet that Maz made, the acrylic toilet, which we'll actually show next also. And this was a PR invite, which was a toilet paper पे हमने लिख के दिया था, and we sent it to celebrities, by the way. We sent a toilet emailer to celebrities, which was kind of really politically cool, I think, that you're sending, creatives are sending a toilet pe likha hua cheez ki aaye hamare event pe. And they turned up basically, and I kind of like that whole kind of Banksy-ish kind of, feeling. This is just a mobile video, but you can have an idea. So there's one lying in my room, in my house, this acrylic toilet, and there's one still waiting to be assembled, Maz, at the studio. So Maz actually made a prototype of this. And then this is like a, so this was that. Then we come to the big screens. Thank you. So, Achha, so this is the music video. Can we do it in 1080? Will it have any difference? Achha.
उसकी नैना देखे मोरा सैया लेके तेरे नाम मैंने जो सब है कहा क्या वो तूने सुना सुना साथ छोड़ाते ही दिल में जो रह गई खिल्ला आंसुओं पे ही जाना बहते नहीं बेवजह ये मैं मुखलिस मोहब्बत का सादगी की इंतहा अरे नौटंकी साला मैं दर बदर था हर दफा निखरता उलझ के मोहब्बत में मैं हर दफा एहसासे जिया की इस दिल में नहीं कोई जगह ये मैं मुखलिस मोहब्बत का सादगी की इंतहा ये बेखबर आज मिला ले नजर हो गई इस दिल को कदर आंचल उठा साथ छुपा आंचल उठा बेखबर These thoughts don't get your body language I'm waiting, so please understand this. सारे इरादे ये harmless. डरना मत यूं मेरी जान. मेरी जान. डरना मत यूं मेरी जान. मेरी जान. For you and I wait for your love इरादे ये harmless तुम लो जायज़ I don't know what's stopping us Can we sideline the fuss हिम्मत पकड़ लो I care for you love I'll be wasted for you and I wait for your love इरादे ये harmless तुम लो जायज़ I don't know what's stopping us Can we sideline the fuss हिम्मत पकड़ लो I care for you मेरी जान
apparently ये सही वाला version नहीं था जो मैंने लगाया है, so अब्दुल्ला मुझे डांट रहा है. So all the VFX stuff was done by Rohan Studio, and Moose sitting behind. Moose, thank you. ये end shot भी गलत है by the way, but बस हो गया, you get the idea. You can watch the real one on YouTube, ठीक है? Okay. So इसमें भी एक Easter egg था. Easter egg ये था that I was really much inspired by my childhood. If you guys have seen Amitabh Bachchan and Anand and ये राजेश खन्ना की फिल्में and the famous पड़ोसन का scene. So this is something I wanted to emulate. So this kind of scene was the Khenchne Wala scene of the Padosan was inspired by my personal childhood of growing up watching such movies and this kind of aesthetic which really appealed to me, and it kind of really also cemented Hassan ka wo aise kaise wala time which people really connect to, that he is a normal person, that he's an everyday Joe kind of a person, and you know he wears and does the same things that we do. So kind of wanted to tap into that kind of sentiment. So another Easter egg was there was this really die-hard fan who managed to dissect and figure out कि इस music video में जो भी सारे गाने थे ना उस album के, हमने उस सारे clues इस music video में डाले हैं. So maybe you guys want to go back, watch the YouTube video and crack all the visuals. So there was peanut butter, there is Dar Ke Oranges, there's the pink hoodie for Aise Kaise. So we put like a lot of stuff for die-hard fans in this video. And then this is just some of the reviews that we got. People were, I think, confused by the video, the general public, because something like this has not come in Pakistan before, and that was okay with us. You don't need to get some kind of 100%, amazing validation by people. You just need to really believe in what you're doing is right for the times, and the people will catch up or they won't. For our main aim was to kind of get beneath the skin and make people feel slightly weird about what they're watching, because पूरी दुनिया में crazy stuff हो रहा है out there in the music videos, तो हम क्यों नहीं कर रहे? What's stopping us? And Hassan was like the perfect person to kind of do this with. So these are some of the visuals that Harim made. They're all very higgledy-piggledy, childlike, very round and bold and colorful. This was our landing page for the website that we created. जिसपे लोग tickets खरीद सकते थे, and it was kind of like a fun thing. इसमें peanut butter भी है, इसमें वो खत है. This is just some website stuff. And then we also had a page in the website where you could kind of see all the favorite stuff that Hassan ka hai. It was like a crazy kind of like a kind of a scene on the website. So we didn't want to have like a really serious corporate looking website. It was creating notankis. Acha, the other thing was notanki ka agar aap word todo, to usme you and I bhi aata hai, usme natak bhi aata hai. So we kind of really broke the word apart also. Okay, so for the merch for the concert, we were inspired by people on social media and the kind of stuff they talk about Hassan. There's like some of the words that kind of come out on social media, and this goes back to my initial point about doing market research, knowing what your consumer wants. Don't make something or a product which is going to go over people's heads, especially for youth hai. So these were some of the words. These are actual snapshots of people's comments. There's like Abbu ka word bahut aa raha tha, people call Hassan Abbu, like dad, I guess. So ye baap, these words. And I was like, interesting, why can't we have merch around this, Then there was stuff around, bas yehi sab tha. So we kind of grabbed this and we created. So in the music video, there is a scene. Did you see that? That's a toxic t-shirt. So we created these t-shirts for people to buy. And we kind of came up with these fun shirts. Oh shit, sorry. So people bought these shirts from Tum Toxic, Shakkar. तो काफ़ी ये एल्बम से निकाल के डाली थी. And then we had hats.
I got the tubes on my head. मैं दुनिया से काफी ज़्यादा.
And we had these special Hassan Rahim signed shirts also. ये सब कुछ मेरे घर के छत पे शूट हुआ था. So you know when you say, oh I need a big budget, कैसे करेंगे? These are all excuses. जब करना होता है you just get on with it. So ये सारी शूट मेरे छत पे हुई थी फोटोग्राफी की. जी. Thank you, thank you. Then Hassan, kind of, when we knew him initially, he made a product for us pretty famous. It was this vest, which did really well. So we did this cross pocket with him also. It was like this fun little product we did for gigs and basically airports, you name it, you can wear it. ये भी हमने sell किया था. So besides doing all the other work we were doing, we're also designing merch. And then these are just some memories from that day. These are all our conversations. Moose is sleeping here. There is a team picture of all of us. These हम खाना खा रहे हैं. And Hareem का एक message है that I just wanted to read out. Hareem ने लिखा है, honestly Shams, everything has been such a collaborative effort that the team overall should get recognition for everything. There aren't many things that have been an individual effort. This will be a great project. So this was a great project for all of us, you know, and it meant a lot to all of us also. So this is all the stuff that we covered. And so now we go to the final section, which is about the boxing. So I've covered Nautanki with you guys. So this project personally is very close to my heart. I like to do a lot of community stuff, and I feel that's where all the actual work should be done. That's where the real change comes from, and that's where we should really be channeling all our creative efforts. Big brands वगैरह तो सही हैं, but the monopoly and the pool is so small, only a few can get your hands on them. That should not deter you from still not doing the work that you want to do. And agar the works, when ये the क्या है वो phrase, if the mountain doesn't come to Muhammad, Muhammad needs to go to the mountain. ये phrase. Well, we have to make and go and build our own mountains and get to them, you know. So there are lots of stories here in Pakistan that deserve your guys' time. And I hope after we show you this, you guys can go out, seek those stories and make them. Don't worry about getting a high-tech RE camera or whatever. Just go there, get your story, get your team, and banate jao. Because is mulk mein solid talent hai, and you should not be daunted by the big hot shots. You know, they're not gonna make room for you. You build a door, you build your own home, you start yourself. That's the way. Don't wait. We didn't wait. We are still not waiting. हमें कोई project ऐसे नहीं मिलता है. We work our asses off every single time, and 9 out of 10 times we don't get that project. But that's not the thing that's pushing us. We have these conversations every day. It's a very, very, I would say it's a very hard field to be in, you know. So if you all are here, be supportive, make a community. And once again, Arif, thank you for this. I hope people can become a creative community in Karachi after this. Please network, share, contribute, connect. इसी से हम proper creative country बनेंगे, जो हम नहीं बन पा रहे अब तक. अच्छा जी, ये बाप है और ये बिलाल है. And Bilal हमारा बहुत प्यारा दोस्त है. Some of you might know him from Towers. So he came to Abdullah and I for a music video. And please check out his new album. He's a brilliant artist, has a lot of talent. And the song was made with Talal Qureshi. And I heard it. And last year after Nautanki, I was in a pretty weird state. I think it hota hai after you go through such a huge project, and I wasn't doing anything, and I was boxing. And I was boxing because I was very angry. And again, here in Pakistan, you don't get a lot of creative outlets or support systems where women, especially in creative fields, can really feel like they are being supported, you know, when they don't feel like they are. लड़कों का तो हो जाता है, but लड़कियाँ एक दूसरे को ना दूर दूर से देख रही होती हैं from the sidelines. And I was feeling that a lot, you know. So for me, I kind of channeled that with the boxing, basically. And ये गाना सुना मैंने कहा इस पे बिलाल boxing का वीडियो बनाते हैं. And then that set me off for research, number one, to go to the Pak Shaheen Club and with a bunch of interns who are not here, but that was their first music video. So we researched, we made a script, and this is the outcome. So first going to show you the album cover. So as you know, the idea behind this was identity. And we wanted to show a passport in this. So Bilal के सारे जो गाने हैं उसका एक cover ये है on Spotify वगैरह, ठीक है? And what we did was we wanted to explore a little, again, थोड़ी सी उंगल करना, you know, with the toilet, with all these things, trying to make a statement that is valid and we're living through it right now. So this problem that we have is a very relevant problem. It's this passport. And this is courage, which I think a lot of people have this feeling when they're at airports. Like, yo, kya ho gaya? Oh shit, reject ho gaya, वापस जाना पड़ेगा. So this is the kind of a little dissection या deconstruction. Sorry, hijacking your word, Maz. But basically, Pakistani passport is ranked 104th in the world. You know, we have poor ranking because of security and economic concerns. हम लोग terrorist हैं apparently, I don't know. So basically, ये सारी जो feelings थी, मैंने कहा इसका album cover बाप का ये होना चाहिए. And उस वक्त फ़लस्तीन का solid scene चल रहा था. When I was, you know, working on this, I felt this is really apt. It's a kind of like a, pardon my French, a big FU, basically. Putting it out there on music is kind of interesting. So it's political, it represents the common man. Nationality and identity are complex matters for most people, including Pakistanis and the diaspora. Navigating the world with a green passport is a complex maze. This document has been the cause of many challenges and feelings of exclusion and nostalgia, but serves as a deep connection to home also. Thumbprint stamps and codes found commonly on passports are used and subverted here to create a new language, a language of disorder and rebellion. I won't say the word. Language and semiotic systems designed to confuse and suppress. A lot of the times when you read these documents for visas or applications or scholarships, you don't know what the hell they're saying because they're designed to confuse you. So you won't actually even bother applying because they're made by white people. Subversion of design. So we used certain elements of the passport. So there is a standard guilloche pattern, jo passports pe hota hai, it's a swirly whirly pattern. So we put that to kind of legitimize it. Subversion of typeface and other elements commonly found in passports. Imitation of an important document. So हमारे साथ ये भी होता है कि हमारा passport जाली है. Fake passports. So we kind of use that also as like, so yeah, at least we're making good fake passports, you know. And we're known to slip through the security systems of the world. So why not embrace it? Document is our gateway, one form of accepted verification. But in the real world, this documentation has very little value. So what we wanted to do is, with the ongoing political unrest in Balochistan, so Bilal is Balochi, we have highlighted the act of rebellion with Bilal's face covering, usne chupaya hua hai. And the face cover is also the stereotypical terrorist. Imagine having a passport picture like this and standing at the US border. And also this was kind of a way to represent the Balochi community in Liari. So Bab Boss follows the inspiring journey of young women from Pak Shaheen Boxing Club in one of the most densely populated slums in the world. They are tenacious and determined athletes, and boxing is a tool for their self-liberation, where they punch their way through challenging societal norms on their own home turf. तो ये मैं वीडियो डाल दूँ.
गमों में भीग के कहना नहीं चाहिए अजीब है घर में कमी थे वाले था मेरे नहीं थे तभी तो मैं किसी का बाप बनता हूँ हंसी और मजाक करता हूँ भाई मेरा हाथ जब गाने तो डाल के देखा हर सवाल का जवाब अपने पास रखता हूँ चल तेरे लिए हिफाजत की दुआ पढ़ता हूँ लाजिम है हाजिरी चल बरादरी के लिए मैं पहाड़ चढ़ता हूँ ये बयान करता हूँ.
So this is Uncle Yunus, and this is one of his fighters. None of the girls in this video are actresses. They are all athletes. So we wanted to create a very authentic video documenting them and showing them in a place of power. Usually you put beautiful women, immaculate hairstyles, immaculate skin. They're not the athletes. And that's what we supposedly think that's what the people want to see. But there's nothing wrong with these girls. They're brilliant, they're beautiful, they're powerful. What's not to celebrate and showcase? And again, really would demand हमारे काम में ये और दिखाएं. असली औरत को दिखाएं, please. Thank you. So in Lyari, we recreated the cramped, overwhelming environment with the bridge. There is a bridge in this video, symbolizing communal upliftment. The climb up the bridge represents women supporting each other, free from patriarchy, in a fight for mutual recognition. The video ends with an unresolved battle, symbolizing the athletes' ongoing daily struggles. हमारे वीडियो में कोई resolution नहीं है, कोई solution नहीं है, but it was a way to kind of dip into their world and kind of show to the world what's happening there. It was a lens into it. So there's a little clip from the video where the girls are climbing up a bridge.
Carefully, oh boy, it's me in the air, coming to make you believe.
किया इस तरह सीधा साधा सा नहीं मैं ना अपना किस्सा अपने चेहरे पे लिखा और मैं पिया चल थोड़ा तू भी पी लेना ढीला होना ये जरूरी भी है ना गला धुंध में तेज तेज गाड़ी में बजती बेस बेस है भी नशेड़ी I know she hates me she just in love with the taste I just say वो सही कहती तो हो गया time to replace me I know she can't I'm all on her face like razor blades छुटा तेरे हाथों से सूंघ को माफ कर लो I left you all alone थोड़ी देर हुई है मुझसे बात कर लो This is all I know कीना इस तरह सीधा साधा सा नहीं मैं ना अपना किस्सा अपने चेहरे पे लिखा और मैं पिया थोड़ा तू भी पी लेना ढीला भाई पड़ा उना में होशियार जब जीते कहते कमीने हम चल कोई उम्मीद नहीं किसी पे चल प्यार नहीं बिकता हम फ्री में बांटते टीम में गमों में भीग के कहना नहीं चाहिए अजीब है घर में कमी थे वाले था मेरे नहीं थे तभी तो मैं किसी का बाप बनता हूँ हंसी और मजाक करता हूँ भाई मेरा हाथ जब गाने तो डाल के देखा हर सवाल का जवाब अपने पास रखता हूँ चल तेरे लिए हिफाजत की दुआ पढ़ता हूँ
लाजिम है हाजिरी चल बरादरी के लिए मैं पहाड़ चढ़ता हूँ
छुटा तेरे हाथों से so long ago माफ कर लो I left you all alone थोड़ी देर हुई है मुझसे बात कर लो This is all I know किया इस तरह सीधा साधा सा नहीं मैं ना अपना किस्सा अपने चेहरे पे लिखा ओए मैं पिया चल थोड़ा तू भी पी लेना ढीला होना ये जरूरी भी है ना थोड़ा तू भी पी लेना
Thank you. And we're done. I just want to end on this. So, thank you. We are seeking funding to provide better resources for athletes, inspire more women to learn the sport. Pakistani women are often portrayed as oppressed, but our girls are powerful, confident, and real, owning their space on their own terms. We celebrate women overcoming hypersexualized patriarchal views by empowering their aggression, difficulty, and madness. And this is our goal. We have nearly reached our goal. And inshallah, we'll be going back to Liari and building them a boxing ring. Thank you. Thank you.